This is YLog 3rd grade worksheet, lesson 5, and I'm going to be doing the circled questions. Okay, number 1, to add these numbers, I'm just gonna add them up by which place they're in. So the 7 is in the hundreds place, and this 3 is also in the hundreds place, so I'm gonna add them. So 7 plus 3 is 10, so I'm gonna put a 0 and carry the 1. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. And I'm going to put a decimal because that's where it lines up. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, question 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Put a 0, carry the 1. 5 plus 0 plus 1 is 6. And then I have to put a period because that's where it is. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So I get $63.60. Number 6, I'm just going to add all of the numbers, just one by one, which are in the same place. So I'm going to visualize it better. 3 plus 3 plus 9 is 15. Put down 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 is 12. Put down a 2, carry the 1. And then I have to remember to put my decimal place. 9 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8 is 23. I'm going to put a 2, carry the 2. Okay. Okay. 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. Well, that's 12 plus 8. That's 20. Oops. Sorry. 12 plus 4. That's 16, 17, 18. That's 18, not 20. So I would get 183 and 25 cents. Okay, number 3. I have to add a plus or minus sign to make this true. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Because 7 plus 5 is 12, so the opposite is minus. Let me erase this. 248 something 135 equals 113. Well, it's obviously going to be minus because this number is smaller than this number. You see how the product is smaller than this number? That means that we're going to be subtracting. Number 9, and we have to put something here to make this not equal. So I have to put plus, because 159 plus 99 is not 60. If I put minus, I would get 60, but it has to be not equal. So 358 something 14 is not equal to 372. Well, if I add, I'm going to get 372. I don't want that. I want it to be not equal to. So I have to put minus. Okay, number 2. 149 minus something equals 109. To find this missing number, I'm going to subtract 149 minus 109. Let me move this to the next line. There we go. 149 minus 109. I subtract these. This becomes 0. 4 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 1, that's 0. But I don't need to write down that 0 because there's nothing after it. So the answer is 40. Okay, number 3. 601 minus 601 minus 592 because I have to find the difference between these two numbers to find this number. So if we subtract 1 from 2, can't do that. So 2 carry the 1, but there's no number here, so you have to change this to 5, carry the 1, so that becomes 10. But then we also need to create a 1 here, so that actually becomes 9. That becomes 9, and this becomes 10. So we get 500. So we get 5, 9, and 10. 10 minus 2, that's 8. 9 minus 9, that's just 0. 5 minus 5, well, that's 0 also. So we get 8. Number 10. This number minus something is 42. I'm gonna put 420 minus 42. Oops, 42. Actually, let me add a space right here. So 2 minus 0, I have to change that to a 1, carry that 1, it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 4, you can't do that, so that comes a 3. And this, the 1 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4, 6. And then I just bring the 3 down, and I get 3. So there's 368. There we go. Number 2. Ben wants to know which number can be written. Ben wants to know which number can be written as 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6. What should he write? So we want to find out which number can also be written as this. So to find that number, we're just going to add all of these. So 5,000 space 400 space 30 space 6. Let me just make this a bit smaller. There we go. And I'm gonna wanna add all of these. So let me actually change the format a bit. There we go. So it looks a bit better. So if I add all these, if I add 0, 0, 0, 0, and 6, I get 6. If I add 0, 0, and 3, I get 3. If I add 4 plus 0, I get 4, and 5 plus, well, there's nothing, so I get 5. So our answer will be 5,436. There we go.